Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I'm showing you most beautiful ideas of recycling craft. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very amazing recycling craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these recycling craft ideas. If you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. These are very amazing and very unique and very classy recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. You guys make these craft work at home very easily. You also watch different other kind of videos on my channel, like different craft work, pebble craft, faith design, macrame, wall hanging ideas and so on. So guys, follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. I hope so you like these craft work. If you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very latest ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys, and I personally enjoyed these type of recycling craft work for my garden decoration. That's why I also share with you all. These are very amazing and very classy ideas for you guys, and you must enjoy these type of craft work at home. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. So keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos, always supporting my channel, always watching my videos. These are super amazing, super unique and very classy ideas for you guys. You must follow my channel and you must enjoy my channel. Always take care guys, these are the best craft work, and you also watch different other craft work videos on my channel about different craft work, and I hope you like these craft work. These are very cheap in prices and you must try these at home, and you also share your experience with me in the comment section. And I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I hope so you enjoyed these type of craft work and you decorate your homes with these craft work. So guys, always think positive, always be positive. You must keep me in your prayers, and you must try these craft work at your home, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of craft work. So I hope so you like and enjoy these type of art. So take care of yourself, Be happy and keep me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, guys.